Alright guys, I'm making this video just to help some people out there. If you are working on your own car, um, safety first. So you need to know how to jack up the car properly. you know Make sure you got a good jack, a good one. So I just bought this one. This is a Pittsburgh 3-ton low profile, so it's good for the job. So make sure you choose your jack so before you do anything. So now, before you jack up the car, make sure you loosen the nuts, okay, from the ground. Make sure you loosen the nuts from the ground. So once you jack up the car, so you won't be able to get the nuts out, because every time you're gonna try to unscrew the nut, the tire going to spin. So when the car is on the floor, it's best this way. So before you do anything, make sure you loosen the nuts. So I already did mine, so they are not too tight, so they're ready to go. So now I'm going to show you where exactly to put the jack. Okay, make sure you have all your stuff ready. I have my jack ready, and I have some jack stand, like this one. So you can use something like this just to to put under the car, so you don't put too much pressure on the jack. The jack's still going to be under the car, but you're just going to put these two on the frame of the car, just to support, for safety. Okay, so now let's see how we can do that. I'm gonna show you exactly where to put the jack. Okay guys, what I'm gonna show you can do it on any choke. Okay, just look for, you see this bar right here, they are pretty much connected, okay, to both tires. So now you're going to center your jack right here. Okay, you're going to center your jack, and then you're going to jack up the car. All right, so once you do that, so make sure it's center, and then make sure you don't touch anything. Make sure that could break. So make sure it's on the frame. Okay, try to center it. Okay, try to get a good grip. Okay, all right, center it, and then now I'm going to jack the car up. All right. It's going up. Okay, as you can see, the car is already up. I'm not gonna put it higher than that for safety reason, because now I'm able to take the tires off from both sides, and then so I can work. I should be able to do anything from that level. Okay, from that level is good for me. I don't need to put it higher than that. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the jack stand, and I'm going to show you where to put it. So far so good. Okay, let me show you, let me give you a closer look from the top, to see how, you know, it's up, you know, from both sides. You know, from both sides it's up, so I don't need to do anything else. Okay, very good. All right, I'm gonna show you where to put the, after you jack up the car, and then I'm gonna show you where to put the jack stand. Okay, for safety reason. So now you see, this is the frame of the car, you know, frame of the car. So that's where you need to put it on both sides, and then we're going to lower the jack just to make sure it touch. Okay, we're going to do that on both sides. Let's put the other one first, and then after we're going to lower the jack a little bit. All right, I have one on both sides, so this is the right side. Okay, so I'll put it on the frame just like the other one. I might lower it down a little bit right here, where the frame is very flat. You know, make sure it doesn't touch any wires, anything. You see, right there in the middle. Okay. Okay. Right there. Right there. And then we're gonna lower the jack just a little bit. All right. As you can see, both jack stands are touching. So they touch the car pretty level, and then so the jack stand, the jack now doesn't have too much load. So now we are ready to take off both tires so we can work. Okay, so now you can apply the same procedures, same thing, and you can do it on your own now. All right.